Hello, Mr. Horse here. I would like to show you how to play guitar exercise 2.14 in this video. For 2.14 we're going back to the 12th fret as the starting point. So this pattern, or this formula is called, back to the origin. Back to the origin. We encountered this once already in the first module. So basically, is you always go back to this first third. So first, I'm only going to play only two thirds, right? 1, 2, and then go back. So there, I have played the forward progression, which is, descending, right? And once we do that, we can, I think I'm just going to play once. So once we finish that, we're gonna do the backward. Okay, the ascending progression. So same thing, always go back to this first third. That's the backward movement, right? That's the backward progression, which is ascending. And then I'll play one more time, the downward, which is the forward, right? Right, so, wait, 1, 2, so that is 2.14. Okay, it's pretty easy to remember. So by this point, this is the sixth guitar exercise in the second module, right? We're probably getting comfortable. Right, with the playing these, these thirds and also connecting. So you can see, I mean, in this particular one, I mean, each module has its distinctive characteristics, right? If we just look at, for example, let's look at the chord shape. See this? We use twice, right? And then this, it's everywhere, right? Right? Four times, okay? So this particular, chord shape, or the, it's used a lot, right? But this one's twice. And then we also have this unique one, right? That's the same thing, really, So, 3 times. And then we have. So each, module, it really comes with different, shapes, okay? The chord shapes, and so anyway, that's something, which we should notice. So I mean, the more you play, the faster you're going to become, right? So anyway, I just want to remind you what I said at the very end of the last video, about successful warrior, right? A successful warrior is an ordinary person like me. Okay, I don't know if you're ordinary or you're special. I mean, maybe you are not like me. Maybe you are, full of talent. I mean, natural talents. So, but people like me who don't have special, ability, but with laser-like focus. Well, which means I can focus for a long, long time. Thanks to my math education in here in Taiwan, Taipei, because when I was in junior high, this was in the 80s. This was in the late 70s, actually. I was in junior high. The 3 years in junior high. Every day, we spent 6 hours on mathematics. Okay. It's 2 hours of instructions, 2 hours of testing, and 2 hours of studying at home. So I mean, that's a lot. Math is all about focusing your attention, concentrating, right? And logical thinking. So if you don't focus, you can do the problems, right? So that really helped me, to learn how to control myself, my thoughts, so I can focus on, things for a long time. Okay, not just 8 seconds or 10 seconds or 12 seconds. So I mean, even though it's crazy to spend that much time a day, every day, on one subject, mathematics, it did help me, to develop this laser-like focus, which eventually make it possible for me to become a successful warrior. You see? So self-discipline, self-control is very, very important. Okay, so anyway, hopefully, through this practice, you are developing your ability to control, right, yourself, control your impulse. Right. Anyway, this is 2.14. I'll see you next time.